Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting the water supply and confirming no flow. This protects you and prevents mess. Once done, clear the work area under the sink so you can reach the faucet mounting. Use a flashlight to inspect the connection point and hardware. You will remove decorative caps or handles now. Use a screwdriver or hex key as needed. Make sure you keep small parts in a container so nothing falls into the drain, and note the fastener types for reassembly. You'll now secure the faucet by supporting it from the top with one hand, which prevents stress on hoses and seals. With the other hand, use an adjustable wrench to turn the mounting nut beneath. Tighten in small increments and check alignment frequently. If the nut won't tighten or leaks persist, remove and inspect washers or O-rings. Replace any that are flattened or torn. Once parts are replaced, reapply thread tape to exposed threads and test. You finish by turning the water back on slowly while watching for leaks and testing the faucet for wobble. Operate handles through full range. If the faucet still rocks, tighten the mounting, nut a little more, or insert a thin rubber shim between the base and sink to absorb movement. Make sure connections are hand-tight plus a quarter turn with a wrench. Over-tightening can damage parts. If leaks continue or the nut won't secure, reseat the assembly or consider replacing the valve or mounting hardware as the permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.